Yeah. HB. Blue carpet. Girl, yes, I'm feeling you. So what you wanna do? Girl, I wanna take you home. Girl, I wanna take you. I'm the sweetest guy, told I go the deepest. I move through the hood, all I need is a street sweeper sign. All women are porous, they easy for me to seep inside. Ladies, take a look, now back to the hood. Girl, yes, I'm feeling you. So what you wanna do? Girl, I wanna take you home. Girl, I wanna take you.
I think it's kinda crazy how we met in the first place. With you, I don't have a problem staying on first base. I dig that you accept Harlem's my birthplace. And when it comes to those lips, you gave me the first taste. And that was all due to the hookah shot through me, like I allowed you to look through my body. First we was talking, we was like fuck a label. Couldn't help that we connected like we was jumping cables. No lie, I be loving the smiles you put on. You ain't gotta pay $5 to get a foot long. One kiss left me in my zone, don't take it wrong. After that I wanted to take you home and make you moan.
Girl, yes, I'm feeling you. So what you wanna do? Girl, I wanna take you home. Girl, I wanna take you. Soon as I stepped in, saw a lady on the steps and thought to myself, what a first impression. I sing, she asked, can I get a lesson? Only if she put her best in. Now I'm kinda stressing. Girl, I'm feeling you. Now what you wanna do? Fuck the telly, let's go to the bar. When I'm finished spinning fatty, then we on our way to Mars. I gotta show the vocals, so these last two bars harmonize like I'm supposed to. Girl, yes, I'm feeling you. So what you wanna do? Girl, I wanna take you home. Girl, I wanna take you.
How you doing, love? I couldn't help but notice your smile. I hope you got some time so we can sit and talk for a while. See, your man don't know your worth and don't acknowledge you there. So I think you better off if homeboy just disappear. I notice everything about you, from the style of your hair to the color of your nails to the clothes that you wear. You ain't gotta keep no secrets, just be open, I swear. And you won't never have to worry about me going nowhere. You looking sexy in your nightgown. When I lay the pipe down, you ain't gotta pipe down. Here's a pillow, bite down. Time is everything, I need to know right now. Steady home in a few, so what you tryna do? Five.
Girl, yes, I'm feeling you. So what you wanna do? Girl, I wanna take you home. Girl, I wanna take you. Girl, I wanna take you home. Let me put you in that zone. What you wanna do? Girl, yes, I'm feeling you. Yeah. So what you wanna do? What you wanna do? Girl, I wanna take you home.